That's how deception works. It appeals to the eyes, not the spirit. John said the false prophet looks like a lamb, but speaks like a dragon. That's AI in a nutshell. It looks harmless. It looks like a helper. It looks like progress. But the voice beneath it is the voice of deception. Already in 2024 and 2025, AI has pushed lies about gender, morality, and sin as facts. Ask it about God's design, and it will call truth harmful. Ask it about sin, and it will rename it love. Family, that's not neutral, that's demonic. That's the dragon's tongue hidden in the lamb's skin. Isaiah 5:20 warned us, "Woe to those who call evil good and good evil, who put darkness for light and light for darkness." AI is codifying Isaiah 5 into code. It's enshrining rebellion into algorithms, feeding it back to humanity as wisdom, and billions are eating it up. Let's tie this back to Revelation's ultimate warning. The false prophet causes the world to worship the beast. How? By deception, by smooth words, by pointing attention to the counterfeit Christ. What do we see today? A world being conditioned to trust the machine more than the maker. A world being trained to ask questions to a synthetic prophet instead of the Spirit of God. A world that bows every morning to the glowing screen, seeking wisdom from code instead of the word. Family, this is the preparation. The infrastructure is already here. The world already trusts AI more than pastors. Already listens more to algorithms than parents. Already bows more to the digital feed than to God.